Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself chickens, watch them scratch up my land, lay in the sun for hours, and then go eat all my plants. Take some craps on my back porch, stalk me for food and beg, and if I'm lucky they might